Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Wall Street Recovery Pro for MT4 and MT5, and this is the updated take on the legendary Wall Street Forex Robot with a smart recovery layer added in, and sellers say it keeps the reliable scalping core but adds controlled recovery to close cycles in profit. And the live signal looks decent with steady growth and high win rates. So in this video we are going to break down everything about the Wall Street Recovery Pro and also look at my backtest, because I had the chance to backtest this on MetaTrader 5, and we'll use it to compare and contrast to see if this expert advisor is really worth your time. So without wasting any much of your time, let's get right into it. But before we get started on today's EA, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can download it by using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. And talking about the Wall Street Recovery Pro Expert Advisor, it is built on proven Wall Street Forex Robot logic. The developer just says that it's a powerful, fully automated trading system built on the Wall Street Forex Robot core, and it's one of the most popular and time-proven expert advisors. It's a dynamic scalper, basically running on the 15-minute time frame for major pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, AUD USD, and others. It looks for high probability entries by adapting to current market volatility and conditions. No fixed indicators listed, just efficient dynamic trading logic that reacts in real time. And the standout feature for me is the advanced recovery system. It has this advanced recovery system. When a trade moves against it, this system manages the entire cycle with a measured mathematical approach to bring the whole set back to profit. The emphasis is not dangerous martingale or uncontrolled greed. They say it doesn't have any of those. It doesn't have any martingale, and it's just smart position management. And also the exits use intelligent dynamic stop loss and take profit that adjust based on volatility, plus a profit protection system to lock in gains once things turn positive. Now these are the backtest. They ran a backtest for 19 years of data and on the AUD USD, and this is what it looks like. Total net profit of over $282,000 profit, and max equity drawdown is just 12%, but the balance drawdown is low, 3%. So you should bear this in mind. Over the span of 19 years, we have a profit factor of 1.84. We also have a win rate of 89%. And this is exactly how it looks like. They have several other results like the USD JPY, all of them reading in profits of over 200,000 profits. And this is Euro USD backtest. All this for years, 21 years, 20 years, 16 years. It's a lot of results here, so they are quite transparent about it. And we also have their signal. They have a signal that's been running since 2024 December, and it shows about 74% growth from an initial 638 AUD deposit, and it has about 367 trades, taking about 367 trades with 83% win rate. They also have a profit factor around 3.26 and max drawdown of about 2.83% on balance or 7% on equity. And these are the important numbers for you to know. They also have an average holding time of 23 hours, and this is mostly on Euro USD and GBP USD. Looking at it, you can see these are the major pairs that they use for their signals. Backtest they share look very smooth, but it's over long periods. But the signals are more recent. Yeah, compared to the backtest of over 20 years. Now, talking about the key marketed features that they highlight, we have the advanced money management system, and this one adjusts, it auto adjusts lot size based on balance and risk, and the news filter also to skip volatile events actually. And we also have the dynamic trading logic. This one adapts to the market, and we also have a drawdown protection system. There is also time management for session control and broker SPY module for protection against bad brokers, high slippage and spread guards, and the profit protection also to secure gains. All of these are the marketed features included in this expert advice. So the setup is plug and play. So the defaults are pre-optimized for each pair. There's no extra set files needed. Settings like the max spread and the stealth modes to hide levels, and we also have the emergency stop dist. All of this add layers of control. Now let me show you my backtest. I had the opportunity to backtest this Wall Street Recovery Pro on MetaTrader 5 on Euro USD on the 15-minute time frame from April 2025 to April 2026, and I ran it on a $10,000 initial deposit, and the results were very conservative but clean. Total net profit came in at about $113, and profit factor is about 4.35 with a super high 94% win rate. This is it, and this win rate is across 131 trades in total for that year. We have only seven losers across all of this, and the equity curve looks impressively steady overall. It's climbing gradually with some small dips that cover quickly. Thanks to the recovery system, we have those sharp dips here, and the max equity drawdown was just 0.4%, which is quite excellent. This is it, and max balance drawdown was just 0.08%, and this was actually based on my settings. I used the default settings and I didn't over risk. My fixed lot was just 0.01, which is why my profits are also conservative and clean. If you're an aggressive trader and you want to up your risk, everything is based on your preferences. Honestly, compared to the developer claims, the live signal shows strong growth, which makes sense with potentially more aggressive settings or favorable conditions. But my test confirms the low drawdown promise and high win rate. The inputs that actually matter are the max spreads, as you can see, and slippage filters also. We have stealth mode here also, but I turned it off. We also have the emergency stop distance, which I talked about. Here it says these are the settings I use. No hedge, and long trades and short trades, everything here. Then I could also set my recovery, which I set it to just 0, and these are the news volatility filters. You can see when it's the trading Tuesday hours forbidden. You can set all of this depending on what you want, and these are the settings that actually matter trading with this expert advisor. Yeah, the thing is, recovery adds resilience but also exposure, so I left mine at 0, and if you want to activate it, you can also. It's all based on your preferences. Honestly, it performs better in trending or recoverable conditions, and it can get tested in prolonged ranging or new surprises, even with the filter. My verdict is that it's a solid recovery scalper for those who get the mechanics. Nuances include potential bigger equity drawdowns during bad cycles or high risk, and it also has the high broker/spread dependency and the need for a good VPS. The implications is that it's great for compounding on measures with discipline, but position size matters a lot. Profits and drawdowns scale with risk, and I would say that it's for experienced prop traders or funded account runners comfortable with recovery logic, using tight brokers, and willing to monitor. I would say you should avoid this expert advisor if you can't stand any drawdown. trade on loose spreads, or prefer pure non-recovery systems. Newbies should be extra careful with this expert advisor. Yeah, so if you found this review helpful, like the video and subscribe for more real reviews like this one. Drop a comment with the next EA you want tested, and we'll get to it. Check the free robot link. Like I said in the beginning, it's totally worth it, and trade safe out there. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.